Well, hello everybody, David Novak here. And today I want to cover an inspection item that comes up all the time. And if you're a seller or a buyer in the past, I'm sure you've been through this. Those of you that have worked with me, we've all been through this. But anyway, if you're thinking of selling your home right now, or if you're thinking of buying, the one thing that comes up quite often is this guy right here, the water heater. And you can go look right now at your water heater at your house, and usually there's a sticker on there somewhere. Like this one here has it right here, and it says our manufacturing date is April 2020. This one obviously is brand new. If you have an older unit, sometimes the first four digits of the serial number will tell you the year and the make, or the year and the month. Just go Google it if you have any questions. But go look at that thing, because if they're coming up on 7 to 10 years, an inspector always calls them out. And so if you're thinking of selling, and just to make the process go smoother, replace it up front, or at least have it serviced by an HVAC guy. So anyway, I hope you guys found this information beneficial, and please reach out today if you have any questions on any of this, and I hope you have a great day.